It's week 20 of actually going outside in 2026, and for the first time in far, far too long, I'm out for a little evening bike ride. I've barely been on a bike since the accident. I've really only ridden my Dutch bike to the grocery store a couple of times in the past few weeks. So this is the first time I'm going for a real bike ride since the accident. And it feels fantastic. I think there might be a beaver dam in the floodway. So I've got to go check it out. Well, what do you think? Is it man-made or beaver-made? There's a bunch of rocks in it, and I don't think that beavers use rocks, but I don't know. I'm not a beaverologist. There is this big pile of sticks over here that could be a beaver house. Or it could just be a big pile of sticks. I don't know. I don't see any beavers. The floodway is a surprisingly great place for bird watching. That's very pretty. I found a little bridge into the forest that I've never seen before. Oof. Interesting. It's nice over here. I wonder if they designed the thresher, which is apparently what this is, to look kind of like a horse on purpose. What do you think? Yay or nay? Oh. Well, I'm about home, so that's it for this week. Not much to see or show this week. It was just a nice little ride around the park, but it felt really good to get back on my bike again. So anyway, see you next week.